Arslan Bob is the largest natural walnut forest in the world. With over 6,000 hectares, this heavenly pristine place spans in the south of Kyrgyzia, Jalalabad region. Translated from the Kyrgyz language, Arslan Bob means the king of the forests. The majestic wild walnut trees grow up to 30 meters in height and live for hundreds of years. And the forests themselves are over 50 million years old. For hundreds of miles, there isn't a single industrial or chemical plant. And to get to this forest, one needs to overcome heavy mountain routes. According to some historians, Arslan Bob is the actual birthplace of walnuts. Alexander the Great, during his Persian campaigns, in fact stopped in these places. His exhausted warriors were stricken with an unknown disease. Local nuts helped them recuperate. By order of Makedonsky, those nuts were brought over to Greece, from where they began to spread throughout Europe. First the Persian nut, or king nut, and then in the 17th century the British traders called it Greek nut. The first Greek nut farm in America appeared only at the end of the 19th century, where it was finally named walnut. For generations, the inhabitants of Arslan Bob have been collecting these unique nuts, which mean for them valuable source of nutrients and natural medicinal substances. Sun Planet Organic has been exporting wild walnuts to Europe for the past 6 years. We have received the Organic EU certificate confirming the high environmental friendliness of the mountain nut. The company has also obtained FSSC, the certificate of compliance with international food safety regulations of ISO 22000. And finally, the Naturland certificate, demonstrating a high level of social responsibility of our company. Today, Sun Planet is the only exporter of Kyrgyz wild walnuts to the European Union, where our nuts are sold under such well-known European brands as Denry and Morganland, Germany, Gibana, Switzerland, ID Organics, the Netherlands, and Fructovia, France. We deliver raw quality organic walnuts according to the highest international food standards. First, local residents collect the walnuts far in the mountains and bring them on their horses and donkeys, and then the entire family, primarily women, crack the nuts by hand in their specially equipped home workshops, set up by the Swiss-German donor organization GIZ. Next, the cracked walnut goes to our processing factory, which is equipped with specialized state-of-the-art equipment. There, the walnut goes through several stages of gentle processing. First, several levels of machine and manual sorting. Then the nuts are thoroughly washed and dried at a low temperature to stay raw. And after that, the nuts undergo moisture tests and then finally packed in vacuum bags or retailer pouches. Each batch of walnut is mandatory tested for food safety in European laboratories to make sure there are no molds or bad bacteria present in the product. Sun Planet is one big family with more than 1,000 local villagers engaged in forest collection and more than 300 families engaged in cracking and processing of walnuts. We are very proud of our product and are grateful for this opportunity to collect this unique and precious product from the wild world by the hands of the local people. Discover the magical and real taste of wild walnuts from Arslan Bob, the homeland of all walnuts.